Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica Came out here with another reaction. Empty the clip. Today we are here with one of the hottest names in dancehall right now. One of the hottest newcomer in dancehall for the past year and a half. Skillibeng. Skillibeng, Guide Me. Skillibeng is one of the hottest names. Skillibeng have a big bad hit single, Crocodile Teeth, that's got millions of views online. Didn't react to that. Him also Nicki Minaj recently jumped on the song, turning it to a remix. So Skillibeng, Nicki Minaj Crocodile Teeth remix, but him have them hit single what brought him to the world is which is brick. I mean, it was my rapper phone, not chatting alone. The ramp with the bad. So Skillibeng big, Skillibeng bad. So we are reacting to Guide Me. Him just dropped this like 7 hours ago. And we thought, why not? We're here. We don't have nothing else to do but react. So we are reacting. We are do what we do best. We are react/breaking down. So let's go. Now is the time. Let's go. Is it?
Yeah.
Skillibeng style is different from any other dancehall artist. You have certain artists in the business, whether dancehall, grime, rap, drill, whatever. You have certain artists in the business that when you hear them, that them start them song or anywhere you stay and hear them sound, you know that is that person. There's a few in dancehall that is like that. Skillibeng is one of those person. So Skillibeng keep it nice and calm. Skillibeng say, I pussy them. Yeah, I pussy them. When I know who him attack, what he's talking about, we are gonna jump in it and see what it is. So let's go, man.
Guide me, guide me, I pussy them. Guide me.
Let's try to get everything, man. I miss nothing. Ready?
Me alone on the lonely road. Me alone can't tell you what the fuck me going through.
We all get to that stage of our life more time when I just you alone upon the lonely road. You alone know what is going through. People from the outside looking inside, not getting the full view as you looking from the inside to outside. Not getting the full view. You understand? So him in one forest by himself, one field by himself, a picture behind him. Him there on a chair by himself. I think him have him spiff in him, I'm not sure. But him just go spill him guts. It look like him might just tell it all right here. So near and then you just get that vibe. Say I'm gonna start a bag of things, but you never know with Skillibeng. So let's go.
I pray, not tell them my business. Keep your plans as a secret. People wicked.
This seems like some friend will betray him or something, or some family member or somebody in his circle betray him and him just vent it in one song. He must say, yo, me not tell them my secret. I pussy them, you see me? Keep my secret like close to myself. Like don't involve them in your plan, cause them will turn around and bite the hand what feed you. Look at my hand. Only for bite marks upon it. So do not put your trust in a mankind. Do not put your trust in a human. I pussy them.
But that me know. That me know. That me know. That me know. Yeah. Guide me. Guide me. Yeah. Me rather chat to myself. The last somebody me want chat to is them. Me so unique. I'm a magnificent.
Me rather chat to myself. They sang having a lot of lyrics, you know. But the few words what I'm saying so far, man say, listen, me rather chat to myself than speak to them. Me rather speak to myself. So I'll be chilling down and I'll be sitting down and I'm talking to myself, you know, say, yo, them boy, they're real pussy though. Them brother. And a person pass and say, hey, where's the G? I mean, I talk, no, you, my father, you, big up yourself, man. You know, so them boy, they're real pussy. You see me? And more time, even me do it sometime. Sometimes I talk to myself and answer back. Sometimes I say, dog, you know, say, yo, how do you even drive the car? How I go on, man? I'm say, yo, dog, you know, say, me really don't know, though, but anything I go on, we are going to find out, you see me? Yeah, dog, how do you figure out work today? Yeah. Go on to work, get too lazy. Them thing that me talk to myself a lot. A lot of people do it. Me, the original infamous always I do it. So when we see him out a move, me just leave him alone because we know himself him a talk to. You see me? We all do it. So skillibeng can say, I rather speak to myself than them because I pussy them. You see me? Yeah.
A boy can't stop me, I got me, my bless. Yeah. Say them is bad, them is not. But bad every day, we will trample your head.
I say, so them is bad, but them not. But bad every day, someone will trample your head. When somebody say them will trample your head in Jamaica, that means them will put it, you will drop a gun and them jump on your head, brother. In England, them call it head stamps. I will trample your head, brother. I will trample your head. Your blood, trample your head. There you go, dead, brother.
Yes, yeah. Say them is bad, them is not. But bad every day, we will trample your head. I hear them eye with a hash cigarette right now, especially can't one box them again.
Yo, this sound like something personal, dog. This sound like something personal. This sound like something personal. The man say, yo, in your eye, maybe hash cigarette. You know the ash up on the cigarette when you smoke a cigarette, the man will poke it in your eye and out it. And we out him cigarette in your eyeball, brother. That not hot? Tell me say that not hot. And him say something about that's why Special Khan want box them again. Special Khan probably as someone in them circle will box somebody before. This is why I'm saying it is very personal. It seems personal to me. Somebody piss him off and him just talk about it in a song.
You must have been cope. When I trust people, I know it's not joke. Trying to love them, then I love you. Why you not trust them, then I trust worthy.
Skillibeng song them never full out too much lyrics, you know. But whoever say catch it. The man say, yo, hey boy, what I'm to you? You dey pan coke or something? Eh? What you think? What you pray? You dey pan coke? Where you dey pan? Talk to me. Talk to me now. You dey pan coke? Me not trust you no dog.
Cup bright and early with a song for my brain, as a judge I give my money worthy. Be a cup bright and early with a song for my brain, as a
hold on, sorry.
I know it's not joke. Trying to love them, then I love you.
Oh, Mr. Party. Him say, me not trust people and know it's not a joke. Me not trust people, it's not a friggin' joke, dog. You see me? So him write coke with joke, that's why him rhyme the two of them. Alright.
Why you not trust them, then I trust worthy. Be a cup bright and early with a song for my brain, as a judge I give my money.
Him wake up bright and early with a song for them head. So basically, my tell us, you should just listen. I don't write my songs to me now. I just go to bed and wake up with an idea in my head and just put it in one song. Boom. Song that. Hit. Jack. God give me money. Because I'm a God-given talent. That's what the boss I tell you. Alright.
Me no business, but wanna concern me. Why you can't catch me up? Cause your mind dirty.
Me no business when no concern me. What don't concern me, leave it alone. See I'm blind, ear and deaf. It no concern me, so me leave it alone. Why you can't catch me up? Because your mind dirty. This can't tell me say he's not speaking to somebody. And I have a feeling of who him attack, but me not gonna mention no names. Cause I want to see how this play out. Me not gonna mention no names of who him attack. I swear to you. Me not gonna do it.
I pussy them. Jaja, guide me. Jaja, guide me.
Me like the concept of the video also. You don't see nobody else in the video apart from him. Him out in the forest by himself. With a chair, with a little angel on a little table and him spliff. And him good. That is how the simpler video is to make today. Because him no want go on the video distract you from what he must say. He's not saying much, but him no want it distract you from what he must say. Very simple video.
I pussy them. I let me know for guide myself. Guide me. Me alone on the lonely road. Me alone can't tell you what the fuck me going through. I pray my prayer. Not tell them my business. Move. Keep your plans as a secret.
Move.
People wicked. But that me know. That me know.
Yo, solid message in this song. Basically, I pray to God for protecting him from the enemy them. You understand? Because the more money you get, the more problems you have. But to me, this is something personal to somebody. I don't know who it is to. I have a feeling, but I'm not going to call on name because I don't want to speculate. That is not my job. So, because there's few lines tonight when I must say, you can't catch me up. That's why you bad mind me. You can't catch me up. That's why you bad mind me. It's somebody we're in the same industry as him. You cannot catch me up. That's why you bad mind me. You see me? It was somebody who were close to him, were betray him. It seemed like him a talk to. Like me say, I'm not here to speculate. I'm here to react and break down the song to those who don't get what him say. You understand? So, Skilly, big up yourself, my G. Big up the East Side Camp. And let's go, man. We're just out here. Big up the new subscribers them that subscribe to my channel. Big up on yourself, my Suno. Big up the original them, my Suno. You see me? Thanks for the support and the love. You see me? Until next time. Peace.